We've all heard the saying, time is money. The more time you spend creating something, the more that something costs. The relationship between time and money is critical in the world of fighter jet manufacturing. The tighter the manufacturing process, the more affordable the end product. The F-35 Lightning II is the end result of a tightly orchestrated process designed to produce the most advanced and most affordable multi-role fighter in history. As one section of this process, the forward fuselage machine tool transfer line uses cutting-edge automation to maintain the fast-paced tempo of manufacturing. In this area, the highly skilled men and women who build the F-35 work hand-in-hand with robotic systems to reduce assembly time, increase accuracy, improve safety, and reduce environmental impact. The individual components of the transfer line represent a significant investment by Lockheed Martin in achieving F-35 affordability. They work together in harmony, sewn together by the F-35's digital thread to achieve unprecedented accuracy.
Moving airplane parts and transferring NC programs are interface tasks that don't necessarily build airplanes. However, they can impact our ability to do so efficiently. The machine tool transfer line essentially eliminates waste associated with these types of non-value-added activities. It's a perfect example of Lockheed Martin investing in manufacturing technologies that helps make the F-35 more affordable.
The process begins with Lucy, the load and unload skin installation station. An overhead crane loads the forward fuselage onto one of 4 Lucy pedestals, which can rotate the structure a full 360 degrees and raise and lower it to allow more freedom of movement around the structure. The Lucy stations are connected by the machine tool transfer line. This line was designed to eliminate those steps in the process that required too much time and returned too little value. In minutes, the transfer line can do what used to take several people several hours to do.
In this area, the forward fuselage team works hand-in-hand with the robotics system to reduce time, increase accuracy, and improve safety. We noticed a major reduction in hours per unit from 132 hours to 98 hours, which is a 34-hour reduction or 26%. Reduced the number of monorail moves from 18 to 2, and it's also improved the mechanics' ergonomics position for manually drilling operations in the Lucy station.
The MTTL also sends the correct computer files to one of 2 precision milling machines. Those files are part of the F-35's digital thread that stretches from design through manufacturing. The files contain information needed to drill more than 1,100 holes in the structure, each accurate to within a few thousandths of an inch, on a consistent, repeatable basis. All through this process, the PMM takes advantage of the latest technology, which ensures more accurate parts and allows for continuous improvement. This reduces the amount of rework, which saves time and money. A 2-stage green filtration system helps recycle the coolant used in the drilling process to minimize environmental impact and reduces the cost of replacement coolant.
A couple things about the new PMMs on the MTTL line. Number one, these are highly accurate machine tools. From an ergonomics standpoint, the operators that easy access into the machine base to do their in-process inspections. The lighting is excellent. And of course, from a safety standpoint, this is wonderful for us. And it all adds up at the end of the day to increased efficiencies and reduced span times.
When one side is machined, the pedestal is rotated 180 degrees, and the process is repeated for the other side. Once the entire structure is drilled and milled, it's given a bath. The wash bay is like a high-tech car wash for the forward fuselage. The bay is similar to the Lucy stations, but with holes in the floor to allow for drainage. Operators can rotate and raise or lower the pedestal the same as in the Lucy stations. Once the fuselage is washed, it's dried and moved back to a Lucy station with the push of a button. Back in the Lucy station, operators ready the forward fuselage for the next step by attaching the side skins. The holes in the skins, drilled in another location, match perfectly with the holes drilled in the substructure by the PMM. Yet another example of the F-35 digital thread. Another button push, and the MTTL brings the pedestal into the auto drill station. Once again, the MTTL software has automatically sent the proper computer files on ahead, so the auto drill system knows what to expect and what to do. The process is essentially the same as in the precision milling machine. Drill the left side, rotate the pedestal, and drill the right side. In the auto drill machine, there is no need to drill separate holes through the skin, liquid shim, and understructure. All the necessary holes are drilled once through the entire stack of material. A pressure foot is used to help countersink nearly all of the roughly 500 holes per side. Drill bits don't last forever, and keeping up with worn bits can cause unwanted downtime in the system as bits are replaced. The status of every cutting tool in use is monitored in real time in this preset booth. Before cutting tools fail, operators can set up new tools to replace them, reducing downtime and saving money. This preventive maintenance system allows for the uninterrupted flow of parts through the machine tool transfer line, keeping pace with the tempo demanded by F-35 production. Once the auto drill process is finished, it's time for another bath. After the second washdown, the forward fuselage is moved back to a Lucy station, and the overhead crane moves the component to a fixture, and off to the next step in the assembly process. All through the process, the MTTL is tracking how much each piece of equipment is being used. These metrics help determine where potential underutilization is happening, which would slow down the process and create potential bottlenecks. By tracking usage, the MTTL helps the program focus on continuous improvement, with the goal of 100% utilization. Consistency and repeatability are the hallmarks of the forward fuselage machine tool transfer line, using the F-35's digital thread to save time and money, and helping produce the most affordable and most advanced multi-role fighter in the world.